Hello everyone, I'm here to just advise you all to hit pause with whatever you are doing and seriously analyze what is going on with your online business. I wish someone would have told me this in the beginning. Don't buy into everything that the so-called gurus tell you. Do your homework thoroughly, check into everything. Checking everything out rigorously doesn't cost you anything. In fact, it may save you everything. I believe I have found something really remarkable. But again, come and listen for yourself. Come and see and decide for yourself. Don't listen to me. Your journey starts here and now. This is a space for learning, exploration, and growth. No pressure, no sales pitch, just honest information about opportunities that might be right for you. What is OLSP? A straightforward approach to affiliate marketing education. OLSP was created by Wayne Crow, who's been doing affiliate marketing for over 15 years. He's upfront about one thing: there's no magic button for success. Instead of empty promises, OLSP offers a proven formula and process. It's designed to help beginners get started while teaching them how to build real sustainable skills. You're not alone on this journey. OLSP includes access to a thriving community of over 10,000 people learning and growing together. OLSP gives you a system that can work even if you're just starting, then shows you how to scale it when you're ready to take action. It's about building skills, not chasing shortcuts. Thank you very much for watching. Joseph.